listen if you don't even listen. Listen. The WAP's got the type of slugs to make your brother go missing. The river's got the type of straps to make the police go swimming. Me niggas got that P to make a G gon' hit him. The ACP gon' split him, it's a pup. The 4-4 bulldog will sick him, he's fucked.
Okay, so DTR update. All cleaned up, looking nice. We've got the swing arm, sanding it now. These plastic bits ready, sand down. Look at this. A rattle cannon on because I'm cheap. We've got some satin black for the swing arm, and we've got this Peugeot blue for these parts. Let's get to work. This is the best I could really get it. All my pads are scrap, and it was done by hand, so not too bad. I guess we'll just see how it turns out. Meanwhile, I'm going to clean these down, get them ready up for spraying as well. Right then guys, the swing arm's hanging up. Tried to get the impurities out the best I could. Best I could really do by hand. I'm using your bog standard anti-rust primer from Alfred's. £6. Robbing bastards. Okay, so I've got my plastic chain guards and swing arm guard, brake guard, whatever else guard up hanging. I'm about to prime these with plastic primer and then use some blue paint. I have no idea how this is going to turn out. I've gone over it with this ultra fine sandpaper, so there's a slight grip to it, so hopefully it should grip. But we'll see how it turns out. People have said that I should do this on a table, but I'll prefer do it hanging up. And if you haven't got a bit of paint around your workshop, it ain't really a workshop, is it? Okay, so our plastic's primed, our metal's primed, so we're going to go over these with some paint and then these ones. I've no idea how this is going to turn out. And there we go, a black swing arm for a black DTR. I've got this blue to go with it. I don't know what it's going to match like. Let's take a look. Yeah, I think that blue's alright. Fuck it, let's decorate. You know who it is? Me. Backwheel Vlogs. If you don't know, you're a dickhead. Forgot my hose clamps. So I'm just going to let these hang off overnight, maybe 2 days, come back to them, and yeah, fit back to the bike. Right then guys, tell me what you think. Got the black guard there, the blue chain guard, got the stand back on, seats back on plastic. I'm literally waiting for the set of wheels and forks back and we're ready to go. Next video should be an overall tidy up. And then we'll just add some more bits on. Cheers guys, see you soon.